Hi, this is Zach Mir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at the single stocks on Friday, the 19th of August. Starting off with BP, and looks as though we've had positive consolidation so far this month at and above the 50-day moving average at £4.23. We need to break this resistance line from July around the 4.35, 4.36 level. Hopefully we can do that today, and above, let's say 4.40, the target here as high as 500 pence, which is the top of this rising June trend channel. Stop loss for those who want to go long ahead of the break would be an end of day close back below the 50-day moving average and the June channel at £4.23. Next up, Evraz, where there's been a bit of a setback here, heading back towards the floor of this rising trend channel from the end of March. Support should come in towards the 50-day moving average around £1.49 and really back below, let's say 145, and the floor of this channel from earlier this year would finally scupper the bull argument. If you are cautious on the shares, maybe you'd wait for a break back above the initial August support at £1.58.8. Going on to another miner, Cows Minerals, and this has been in the news. Beautiful bull flag breakout here for the shares. All the near-term moving averages rising currently. So we expect some follow-through on the upside argument here. Target probably as high as £2.40, the top of that rising trend channel that I'm drawing at the moment from the end of March. And stop loss at this stage probably as tight as an end-of-day close back below the initial August resistance at £1.69. Going on to Kingfisher, which has updated the market and is in the press at the moment. Nice rebound, bear trap rebound, and key reversal to the upside from below the 10-day moving average at £3.58. Support came in yesterday at £3.51, so while we're above that, looking for a new leg to the upside, possibly as high as the top of this June rising trend channel at 400 pence over the next month or so. Any dips back towards the 10-day line currently regarded as a buying opportunity. Going on to Rank, which is part of that tabled three-way deal between Rank 888 and William Hill, which has bitten the dust. Situation here, probably looking for, or taking the view that there is a base in place here. End of day close or end of week close today back above the 50-day moving average at £2.23 could be enough to take the shares up to last month's resistance of £2.50. Stop loss back below the 10-day average of £2.13. Going on to Sainsburys, which is in focus given the bad sales at Asda, breaking above recent resistance in the £2.40 level. £2.39 was the initial August resistance, so the target now up towards the top of a rising June trend channel at £2.62. Time frame on that move the next month or so. Stop loss back below the 10-day average at £2.35, or if you want to trade the share less closely, back below the 50-day moving average and the June uptrend line at £2.30. Finishing off with Sage, which has had a few hacking issues over the last week or two, looking a little bit tired now at the top, at the bottom of this rising trend channel from June. Support nominally at the 20-day moving average of £7.17, so if you're a fan of the shares, that would be the end of day close. Stop loss back below that, and at least while above that, we would hope that the shares could hit 800 pence over the next 1 to 2 months. If you're cautious on the stock, probably wait for a break of the initial August resistance at £7.43 as a momentum trigger before going long. That's it from me. More updates at the same time on Monday.